Hey everyone, how's it going? Corey Fulham, your car guy here. Welcome to Pure Sound, where we take an in-depth look into the sound profiles of unique and high-performance automobiles. For today's video, we're going to be focusing on this 2013 Fiat Abarth 500. This is a nice-looking sports car. I mean, this is insane. And that thing just sounds absolutely unbelievable. I can't wait to show it to you guys. So, you guys remember we did a full in-depth review of this one? I have a full in-depth review of this one already, so for those of you who haven't saw the video, click the video in the top right corner of the screen to see the video. So without any further ado, let's get started, shall we? Alright, so I'm inside the Fiat Abarth 500. This is actually my first time sitting inside this beautiful looking Fiat car. Like I said once again on the full in-depth review video, this is probably the first production car. Came out in the United States and Canada, I think. Well, like I said once again, this is actually my first time trying out this Fiat Abarth 500. This is a nice looking car. I mean, this car is noisy, but it just sounds absolutely unbelievable. So we're going to do a startup video. That's just crazy. This car is noisy, but the exhaust pipe is noisy, but I'm not going to rev it too much. It's just too noisy. I don't think it has an exhaust leak, but it's still a good car. It's in good shape. So same as usual, make sure the vehicle's in neutral or the parking brake is engaged. So I'm going to put my foot on the clutch. Okay, clutch is pushed. Put the key in the ignition. On position. And now we're going to start it up. Sounds awesome. You know what I mean? Sounds absolutely unbelievable. I'm going to take my foot off the clutch. Now it's running. So don't worry, we're not in first gear. We're in neutral because we're in neutral. We're not going anywhere. We're sitting right now. The parking brake is on and we're in neutral. We're sitting over here. The car won't launch forward and stall. So let's do a rev up video or the pure sound, or see how that 1.4 liter 4-cylinder engine sounds. Alright, so here we go. Hear that? That's just crazy. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. Right over here. So we're going to do some drive clips now. So, let's do it. Okay, I just got the tripod all set up, and we're ready to go. Let's see how that baby sounds. You know what I mean? Alright, so here we go. Sounds absolutely unbelievable. That's just insane. Let's take a look at the exhaust now. And now we'll do the back now. I don't know if you can see the exhaust. It's actually under there. Or down there, I mean. That's just awesome. Let's take a look at this here. You know, the cool thing about this car, it's got the loud exhaust. That's just awesome. You can see that over here. It's got the exhaust under there. It's a pretty cool car. I mean, it's just awesome. You know what I mean? Let's go step inside the car. And now we'll just set the camera over here, I think. It's nice out today. It's a nice, cool little car. I have the vehicle in neutral, so it won't go forward. I have the parking brake on. So I like this cool little car. It's got the cool little horn. Nice. And it's also got sport mode. If you turn that on, it goes on to sport mode. I remember last time we tested out the pure sound video of that 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. And all the vehicles I did was, I did a pure sound video of the sports cars like I did last time. I think that was in May 2016. It was a 2008 Chevrolet Cobalt SS Supercharged. And we have another one here. It's a 2013 Fiat Abarth 500 we're testing out right now. And as you can see, this car is reading over 111,661 kilometers, which is not bad for a 4-year-old car. I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's not decent, but this car works perfect. It's only 4 years old. And as you can see on the dashboard, there is a check engine light on. I don't know what's wrong. Probably had to get it fixed. Fiat Abarth logo. And I love that sound of that 1.4 liter inline 4-cylinder. So we're gonna go shut her down. It's awesome. The cool thing is when you start the car, the engine just roars like crazy. You want to hear it? I just have to put my foot on the clutch. We're going to start it one more time, and then we'll do a sign off. On position, when I turn it to the start position, it just roars. That's just crazy. You know what I mean? So let's go shut it off. Okay. Nice, but cool looking car. Someone should buy it. But sporty looking. Pretty cool sports car. Well everyone, I hope you enjoyed the pure sound video of this 2013 Fiat Abarth 500 sports car. And be sure to stay tuned next time for more videos. Leave a like, subscribe, favorite, and don't forget to watch my other videos. Like I said once again, leave a like, subscribe, favorite, don't forget to watch my other videos. There's always a lot more where it came from. Have a good day everyone. Wasn't it beautiful, that nice truck? So we're going to go look for a parking spot so we can find a spot to park.